Hi, third grade. I'm going to show you how to get onto Edmentum so that you can take your diagnostic test, since that's what you will be working on during your virtual days. So first you are going to click right here where it says Edmentum link, and then click again where it says Clever. And you're going to put in your username and your password, and then you will find this screen. You're going to click the E. Oops. Try again. There we go. You're going to click the E and wait for it to load. And then you will see these two tests that you have to take. If you don't see the tests, make sure you come over here and click this button that says tests. You have a math one and a reading one. That's what you will be doing on your virtual days. You are going to click start, and you're going to work your way through it. Remember to save and exit. If you're not done, if you're going to finish it maybe tomorrow or a little bit later, you must click save and exit. Always, always, always save and exit. So that way it keeps your work for later. If not, you might have to start all over again. So make sure you save and exit and get both of those tests done on your virtual days. You will have 2 virtual days and your Friday to get those tests done. Let your teacher know if you have any questions.